but I didn't realize my father was illiterate until I was 21 years old. And it seems like I just had an awareness of how he was interacting with me. Because as a little girl, I would bring my homework to him and he would say, "Oh, it's nice. It's wonderful. You did a good job." It's like, "Okay, Daddy, thank you." And he would always say, "Do good in school." And if I showed him something, if I was reading a book, he would say, "Read me a page," and I would read him a page. And but now when I look back, I remember that my daddy always had a wad of paper in his pocket. And if someone asked him something like, "How do you get to Augusta, Georgia?" he would pull out this wad of paper and he would look through it. And what I realized is that during his lifetime, when people gave him information, he collected it on pieces of paper.
Wow.
And he then memorized what was on each piece of paper. And when people would ask him things that were sort of usual information, he would just pull out this wad of paper and he would just go through it until he found what he thought was the information that they wanted. And that is how he was able to be a productive, illiterate adult. And so my why is that I know that there are people who still don't understand what we know in terms of literacy, in terms of mathematics. And I just set myself on a course to do something about it, to help people understand what my area is, which is mathematics, but to understand mathematics in such a way that it doesn't embarrass and it doesn't make people feel bad and it doesn't make people feel less than. Because growing up as a little child, I saw how people were able to engage even if they couldn't read or write